What is your name? Say, my name is is what? What is your name? Shang Shang? Yes? Yes. Okay. Can you say it again? My name is Shang Shang. Xing Xing. Xing Xing. Okay. Xing Xing. Okay. How old are you? 4. Say I'm 4 years old. Years old. Old. Okay, very good. All right, Xing Xing. Let's begin, okay? Ready? Ready? Go. Okay? Yes. Let's start. Let's talk about insect. Can you say insect? Insect. Very good. Okay, let's begin. Oh, before we start, how about we take a picture of, let's put teacher and Xing Xing here. Okay, can you do like this? Like this? And then smile? Yeah? Okay, let's take a picture. Ready? Ready, smile. 1, 2, 3. There. Good job. Very good. Wow, that's so pretty.
Welcome to the
Okay,
insect
let's start.
garden. Wow, so many different insects.
Wow.
Your task today is to find all the insects that can fly.
Okay. Well, we have here insect. Can you say insect? Insect. Okay, that's right. Let's count the insects here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say 4 insects. 4 insects. Yes, that's right. They are insects. Okay, this time, can you try to click, 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 tick, tick, tick? Can you click the insect? Do you see the insect over here? Yes, it's a butterfly. Okay, one more time. Butterfly. Very good. Do you like butterfly? Yes. Do you like it? Yes or no? Yes. 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 Okay, say yes, I do. Yes, I do. Wow, very good. Now let's say it again. Butterfly. Okay, butterfly. That's right. Very good. Okay, next. Now, can you find another insect? Can you Click it again. Click, click, click. Yay! That is a ladybug.
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 Bug.
Okay, one more time. Ladybug.
Bug.
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 Yes, very good. Okay. Ladybug.
Ladybug.
Okay, let's see. Ah, ladybug. Okay.
Ladybug.
Yeah, the ladybug can also fly. Let's say fly. Fly.
Bug.
Yes. One more time. Ladybug.
Bug.
Lady.
Bug.
Ladybug.
Ladybug.
Okay, wow. Very good. Okay, let's take a look. There's one more. Can you click on that again? Click, click, click. Yes, that is a bumblebee.
Bumblebee.
Very good. Again, bumblebee. Bum, bull, bum, bull, bumblebee. Yes, very good. Okay, this is bumblebee. Very good. Okay, wow, good job. So let's try to look at all the insects. Okay, can you try to click? Okay, can you click the insect number 1? Number 1, bumblebee. Click the bumblebee. Bumblebee? Oh, very good. Number 2, butterfly. That's right. And number 3, ladybug.
Ladybug.
Okay, wow, good. Okay, now let's say all the insects again. Okay, number 1, bumblebee.
Bumblebee.
Number 2, butterfly.
Butterfly.
Very good. Number 3, ladybug.
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 Okay, good. Very good. How about here? This time, can you click on the insect? Click, click, click. Which one do you like there? Okay. What do you like to click? Click the insect. Where are the insects? Okay, click one time. Ah! Go click. Okay, let's say it's a. Can you say it's a ladybug?
Ladybug.
It's a ladybug.
Ladybug.
Okay, very good. Next, let's find another one. Okay, can you click on the insect again? One more. Click, click, click. How about the other one? Which one? Here? Here? Okay, this one. Ah! Now, it's a butterfly. Yay! Very good. Again, it's a butterfly.
Butterfly.
Very good. Wow, good job. Okay, let's find another one. Can you click again on the insect? Can you click the other insect? Which one? Oh, another butterfly. Say, it's a butterfly. It's a butterfly. Wow, very good. Okay, another one. Can you click on another insect? How about this one or this one? Let's click it again. Click, click, click. Oh, one more. Okay. There. Let's say it's a bumblebee. Very good. Again, it's a bumblebee. Bumblebee. Okay, bumblebee. Yeah, very good. Okay, now let's go here. Let's insect.
Let all the insects fly away.
Oh no, the insects are inside the box. Okay, all the insects are inside the box. They're so sad. They can't fly. They want to fly out. Can you help them? Let's open the box, okay, so that the insect can fly away. Open the box. Okay, click the box. Yay! Wow, very good. Good job. Now let's say bye-bye butterfly.
Bye-bye butterfly.
Bye-bye bumblebee.
Bye-bye bumblebee.
Bye-bye ladybug.
Bye-bye
Ladybug. Ladybug. Okay, good job. Very good. You helped the insects. Next.
See if these insects can fly.
Okay,
No
let's see.
problem.
Let's check if the insects can fly. Okay, can you click here? Click, click, click the hand. Okay, here. Very good. Now this is bumblebee.
Bumblebee.
It's a bumblebee.
It's a bumblebee.
It can fly.
It's a fly.
That's right. It can fly.
It can fly.
Yeah, just like this one. Fly. Can you say? Fly.
Fly.
Very good. Okay. Fly. How about this one? Can you click it again? Click one more. Over here. Tick, tick, tick. Here. Okay. It's a butterfly.
It's
A butterfly. One more time. It's a butterfly.
It's a butterfly.
It can fly.
It can fly.
Fly. It can fly.
It can fly.
That's right. Okay, one more. Let's click it again. Last one. Tick, tick. Okay, very good. It's a ladybug.
It's a Ladybug.
Okay. Uh-huh. Lady bug. Lady bug. Okay, let's say it's a ladybug. Okay, ladybug. Okay, now it can fly. It can fly. Very good. Now let's have another one to click here. Can you click the flying insect? Click the insect that can fly. Which one here can fly? Can you click them? Ah, no. That is an ant. The ant cannot fly. Okay, very good. One more. Yay! Good job. Okay, very good. Now let's go down here. Okay, this time, let's drag the word to the picture. Okay, let's drag the word here, here, or here. Okay, ready? Number 1. This is bumblebee. Bumblebee. Can you bring that word to the bumblebee? Okay, wow, very good. This is butterfly and ladybug. Ladybug. Up, 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 up. Okay, wow. Good job. Wow, that's really good. How about a high five? High five? Yay! Now let's read our words, okay? First, we got ladybug. Ladybug.
Ladybug.
Can you say? Ladybug.
Ladybug.
Very good. Bumblebee.
Bumblebee.
Very good. Butterfly. Butterfly. Another one. Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Bumblebee.
Bumblebee.
Ladybug.
Ladybug.
That's right. Okay, very good. Wow. Now this time, let's sing a song. Xing Xing, are you ready to sing? Okay, let's sing. Can you click on the butterfly? Click the butterfly. Here. Okay, quick. There.
Butterfly, butterfly,
Butterfly, butterfly, butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. Yay. Okay, about the second one, can you click on the ladybug? Ladybug, 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 ladybug.
Ladybug, 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 lady, 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 lady,
Ladybug, yay! Very good. What about this one? Bumblebee.
Bumblebee,
Bumblebee, bumblebee, bumblebee, bumblebee, bumblebee, bumblebee, bumblebee, bumblebee, bumble, 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 bumblebee. Wow, very good. Yay, that's really good. Well done. Good job. Okay, so now let's try to go down here. Okay, we have our vocabularies. Let's say them together. It's a butterfly.
Butterfly.
One more time. It's a butterfly.
A butterfly.
It can fly.
It can fly.
It
Fly.
Okay, how about this one? It's a ladybug.
It's a ladybug.
It's
a
a ladybug. It can fly. It can fly. That's good. How about this one? It's a bumblebee. It's a bumblebee. Okay. It can fly. It can fly. Okay, good. Now, can you tell me all by yourself the name of the insects here? Okay, what is this? Number one, this is what's this one? Butterfly. Very good. How about this one? It's a ladybug. That's right. And the last one? The last one is? What's that? It's a bumble. Okay, very good. One more time, let's say bumblebee. Yay! Which one do you like, Xing Xing? Which one do you like? Butterfly, ladybug, or bumblebee? 1, 2, 3. Which one? Oh, say I like. Can you say I like? I like the ladybug. Very good. Wow, it's a ladybug. Ladybug. Good job. Yay, well done. How about we give Xing Xing a reward? Let's try to give you a reward. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yay. Do you know them? Do you know them, Xing Xing? Who is this? Elsa. Elsa. Yes, this is Snow White. Snow White. This is Jasmine. Jasmine. And this is Mulan. Yeah. Do you know her? Yes. Okay, well, that's all for today, Xing Xing. I hope to see you next time, okay? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say, see you next time. Can you say? See you next time. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Thank you.